Hi, how's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. I like it.
Yes, it's a nice day.
Yesterday was very cold.
Oh, yes. I wore two jackets.
Haha, same. I don't like winter.
Me neither. I like spring more.
Spring is beautiful. Flowers everywhere.
Yes, and the air feels fresh.
Do you like rain?
A little. I like it when I'm home.
Me too. I like to watch the rain.
Sometimes I drink tea and read a book.
That sounds relaxing. I listen to music.
Music makes rainy days better.
Yes. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft songs and pop music.
Nice. I like pop too.
Who is your favorite singer?
I like Ed Sheeran. You?
I like Selena Gomez. Her songs are nice.
Yes, she has a sweet voice.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to draw and go for walks.
Oh, you can draw? That's cool.
A little. I draw flowers and animals.
That's nice. I can't draw at all.
Haha, you can learn. It's easy.
Maybe, but I like cooking more.
Oh, really? What do you cook?
Simple food, rice, pasta, and eggs.
Yum! I love pasta.
Yes, pasta is my favorite food.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. I can eat it any time.
Haha, pizza is always good.
Do you like spicy food?
A little, not too spicy.
Same here. I can't eat very spicy food.
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the park with my friends.
That's fun. What did you do there?
We played badminton and took photos.
Oh, nice. I like badminton too.
Do you play often?
Sometimes, when the weather is good.
Yes, playing outside is more fun.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Where did you go last time?
I went to the mountains with my family.
Wow, that must be beautiful.
Yes, the air was cool and clean.
Did you stay there overnight?
Yes, we stayed in a small hotel.
That sounds nice.
I love mountain views.
Me too. I took many pictures.
I want to see them someday.
Sure, I'll show you next time.
What are your plans for next weekend?
Maybe I'll go shopping with my mom.
Oh, that's fun. What will you buy?
Some clothes and maybe new shoes.
Nice. I also need new shoes.
Let's go shopping together.
Good idea. We can eat out too.
Yes, maybe some ice cream after.
Haha, yes. Ice cream is always perfect.
Okay, let's plan it soon.
Sure, I'm already excited.